Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find deleted apps on Android. So now on the phone where you can see the deleted apps, you will just open the Play Store on the Android device. So you will see there is the top right corner is the profile icon. So when you click it, you will see the option of manage apps device. So you will just click to manage apps device and you will just open the manage and you will see click on this device and not installed, so you will just put on not installed. So here is the deleted apps. So in the not installed option you will see the deleted apps and you will restore your app with downloaded. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.